So hello YouTube, today I am here with new experiment. So as you all might be knowing from my previous videos that I did experiment that this is 20 years old home theater I had lying in my storeroom. So I also had this Bass FX 300 watt RMS subwoofer, 12-inch prefabricated beautiful box it is. It is ported. So this was just sitting in my storeroom as well because I already have two bass tubes loaded in my car and this was the extra third sub. So I brought this 20 years old home theater Philips home theater down and decided to open its stock subwoofer and try this one, and to the surprise it's working, but unfortunately this one doesn't have the Bluetooth, so I had to connect this aux cable all the time to my smartphone to enjoy some music. Okay, so what I did is I brought a generic Bluetooth receiver from the local market, not online store, okay, from the local market, and you won't believe the price. Okay, here are the specs. So this purely generic Chinese kind of homemade item. Let me open it for you. I was on the price. So I brought it for 100 rupees, guys, 100 Indian rupees. And you won't believe, I found my friend does online business, so I know what goes there. You can see the spelling mistake, penning. Okay, so for pairing they have written penning. This is nonsense shit. There are tons of mistake, and guys they provide this cable, micro USB for charging. This is 3.5 mm to 3.5 mm jack, so that you can use it readily. And this is the main unit. As this was just for experiment, I brought this shitty item. I never buy Chinese item, guys, but this is first time I made mistake, because this was just for a couple of weeks and thereafter I was not gonna use it. So I brought it, and this is how you turn it on. And once you turn it on, it turns off immediately because it says it doesn't have the battery. I'll give you the demo. Let's connect it. I don't know how it's working now, but it will, as soon as I connect it to the system, it will go deep.
Power off.
Okay, now let me turn it on.
Power on.
It said power on, and the pronunciation is also not good. Okay, the on it's Chinese item, guys, it's trash. Okay, so my purpose of making this video was, in 100 rupees they are installing battery, buttons, circuit and the Bluetooth receiver, everything in 100 rupees. Imagine what kind of quality you will get even if it works. It never worked for me. I kept it on charging for whole night and it will die in couple of minutes only. So battery is faulty, that's okay. But they said that if I connect to, you can read here, if I connect it with direct power supply, it will work forever, but it's not happening. I have tried even high power chargers, it's not working up to 8 hours music playback or continuous with mini USB charger, but that's all fake. Okay guys, that's not gonna work. Trust me, never buy a Chinese product. And this video was just to demonstrate that item. You
Power
can
off.
see it turned off, it died within a minute. Okay, so this is the cheap Chinese product, no branding, nothing, generic product. But there are some Chinese branded items also, those are around 500 bucks. I have brought Logitech. Okay, Logitech Bluetooth receiver worth 2000 rupees, and the sound quality is way better than the direct RCA cable or the aux cable which I used to have before on my another home theater, which is in main living room. This is just in guest room, and this is just for fun. This setup is not gonna be here forever, this is just temporary setup. And you can see this is small guest room on my terrace. So I did this experiment just to enjoy for a couple of weeks. That's why I brought this one. Buttons are flimsy. Actually, I don't have rights to blame this one because I made a mistake buying this. Now even if I decide to go there to return this, the fuel expense will be higher than cost of this complete unit. So that was my review guys. Please don't buy such generic item, they just focus on good packaging, and I hope they have not made any spelling mistake over here. So you can buy Chinese product, no issue, but there should be some brand. Okay, and one more thing I want to tell you the secret. Okay, my friend, as I said before, my friend deals in all this stuff. He brings all the material from Mumbai, from the city mall. Those guys are from Mumbai or deal in all online business of electronics, of the mobile accessories. They might be knowing this very well. So you will get this item over there around 30 to 40 rupees, but you have to buy in bulk. Okay, 1000 pieces, and they tell you while selling only that approximately 20 to 20% or maybe more items will be defective, because this is mass production. Okay, in China they manufacture such items in home and home to home, and they don't even have time to test it. Okay, so what happens in online market in India or anywhere, the sender actually test this equipment once before packaging. Okay, generally the ethical senders. Okay, not the frauds, the ethical sender, the genuine senders, the seller I mean, they test this product and then only they ship it. But what happens in offline market is they have the lot lying in their godown, they just place it in front of you, and you don't have scope to test it, or you don't have time to test it. Who will test the 100 rupees thing? Okay, in that rush. So I got it and kept it in my pocket and came home. So that's all guys. My motive to make this video was to make you realize that even if you pay 250 rupees, this thing is for 250 rupees, exactly the same thing you can see on the Amazon, it's for 250 rupees. That's because they test it before sending you. Now my 100 rupees is gone, I don't care, but at least you get the pleasure, na? I had mood to enjoy my music over here, but now I have nothing because this is not working. So that was the video. For I never make video for such cheap products, but this is for just to make you realize why not to buy extremely cheap products. Nothing is below this. Okay, this is extremely cheap product, and this is what he had, the seller had readily available. So that was my video. Also, one thing I noticed that when this turn on, I inserted my headphones to have the demo how it sounds, and there was no bass, only treble for few seconds, and then this died again. So you can see, imagine the quality. If I install such cheap Bluetooth receiver in good system, the good bass system which has subwoofer and all, what's use of it if I'm not gonna have the complete clear quality? Whereas if you try the Logitech one, it's pretty expensive, but the sound quality will be way better than stock Bluetooth system you have in your home theater system. I don't know what engineering they have did inside, but they are amplifying the sound in the Bluetooth module itself, the Logitech one. Okay, so I don't want to make this video lengthy unnecessarily. Thanks for watching, guys. Be aware of the such cheap products. Never buy such kind of products. This was lesson for me. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Live loud.